वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोदी के दौरे पर अर्जेंटीना में हिंदुस्तान के सफ़ीर अजनीश कुमार ने कहा कि वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का अर्जेंटाइन का दौरा हमारे दो तरफ़ा ताल्लुकात का एक अहम मौका है। ये दौरा एक तवील अरसे के बाद यानी 5 दहाइयों से ज़ायद अरसे के बाद हो रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि हिंदुस्तान और अर्जेंटीना के ताल्लुकात कसीर जहती हैं। हम बहुत से मौज़ूआत पर ताउन कर रहे हैं।
Honorable Prime Minister's visit to Argentina is a momentous occasion in our bilateral relations. This visit is coming after a long time, over 5 decades, and Honorable Prime Minister had the occasion to meet His Excellency the President of Argentina last November during the G20 in Brazil. This visit will only consolidate on the points discussed during that last meeting, and one has to remember that India-Argentina relations are multifaceted, and we have cooperation across a range of subjects. And it was only last year that we celebrated 75 years of the establishment of diplomatic relations between the two countries.
What will be the schedule of the PM Modi in Argentina, sir? What are the key engagements?
Well, Honorable Prime Minister arrives late in the evening of 4th of July. He will go to his hotel. Of course, he will be received by the community, and they're all looking forward to having a brief interaction with him. On account of his busy schedule, we could not have a standoff meeting scheduled for him, but at least this will give them an opportunity to be with Honorable Prime Minister. He's so much loved by people all across the world, so this would be just one of those opportunities. The next day, Prime Minister has got a busy schedule. He'll be paying his respects and homage to the father of the Argentine nation. He's commonly known as the Libertador at Plaza de San Martin. And at the plaza, he would be joined by the foreign minister of this country. Thereafter, he will have an official meeting, a delegation level meeting at the Casa Rosada, which is the President's office, where he will